And with that, I would like to yield to the ranking member of the subcommittee, Congressman Cole, for opening remarks.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Thank you. Appreciate you holding this hearing and look forward to learning from your considerable expertise in this area, given your previous service on the Ag Subcommittee of the Full Appropriations Committee. And of course, I want to express my appreciation to all our witnesses for being here today. Obviously, COVID has been a tremendous challenge for our nation and the entire world. The disease is highly transmissible and has shown it can quickly threaten lives, seriously strain our economy, and as we're discussing today, it presents new challenges to the production and distribution of food and essential supplies. Like most sectors of the economy and our society at large, food producers and their workers were forced to adapt quickly to changing circumstances. An evolving understanding of the virus, developing guidance from the medical community, and early shortages of personal protective equipment were among the challenges that they faced. Producers had to take innovative steps to protect their workers. Effective protection of workers' health and safety is critical job one. Employers are concerned about the welfare of their workforces and their workers and value the fact that each is someone's mother, son, sister, or spouse. And certainly we, on our side of this, have a special responsibility to see that those workers are taken care of. We're all partners together in the workplace and often neighbors within single tight-knit communities. A safe workforce also helps to meet the nation's imperative goal to maintain a safe and accessible food supply. As we all saw and probably experienced firsthand, empty shelves during uncertain times, such as a frightening pandemic, caused panic and hoarding, only worsening the situation. And certainly all of us are grateful to those in the food production industry who stepped up to the challenge and made sure that our temporary inconvenience never became a crisis. The production of meat and poultry products also depends on tight schedules, a just-in-time delivery system from farm to market. Disruptions at any point in the chain can compound a problem, wasting food and sometimes forcing destruction of thousands of animals, resulting in economic and environmental disasters. Along the way, our country's learned much as we faced our first serious pandemic in generations. With helpful science-based guidance from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, we saw processors and workers take adaptive steps through administrative and engineering controls to maintain a safe work environment. Adjustments to shifts, processing line configurations, cleaning, and facial coverings, for example. Even guidance on commuting practices were commonly provided. Congress has also played a part. Emergency funds relevant to today's topic were provided to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the Department of Labor, Health and Human Services, the Center for Disease Control, and directly to the states to help in the cause. Obvious challenges remain. The virus is still prevalent and concerning new variants have emerged. But I know we're all hopeful that with continued vigilance, sound practices, and mass vaccination underway, we will further mitigate the threat. There were indeed serious problems and deficiencies in some locations in the meat and poultry processing business, as we'll hear more about shortly. Wherever worker safety and health are jeopardized, it must serve as a wake-up call and demand swift response and correction. However, I think we can be proud as a nation as a whole of the dedication and ingenuity of the workers and the industry itself and the regulatory agencies in helping us meet food demand under unprecedented circumstances in a safe and responsible manner. Thank you again to all our witnesses today and to you, Madam Chairman. I look forward to hearing the testimonies on this important topic.